Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover solving for brokerage using the world's best financial loan calculator. Before viewing this video, users should familiarise themselves with Profloan 3 basics and solution patterns. When solving for brokerage, cost net, term, interest rate, and a solution pattern are mandatory. The solution pattern may consist of any positive number including 0. Therefore, structured patterns are acceptable no matter how complex. Now simply click on the Solve for Brokerage button. Note the brokerage and the effective rate. This concludes this video.